When we wish to create a multi-day tournament, the process is the same for when we create a single day tournament. We go to the home screen and on the right side choose New Tournament. For this example, we will create as an empty and new tournament. We type in a tournament title. For this example, we will also use multiple entries. The most important part for multi-days is to check this flag saying the event will be played on multiple days. We can change the tournament structure in this window. We can also do the buy-in fee and chip settings here. Number of players per table. When we see this window is asking how many days and how many flights there are per each day. If your tournament has 3 day ones, a day 2 and a day 3, we will treat all of the day ones as one single day. So for this question, we will choose it's a 3-day tournament. Then on day 1, below, we will show that we have 3 day 1 flights. Here we will choose the start and level for each one. When we fill the end level of a day, the subsequent day start level automatically fills. We can put a cap on each specific flight. Once this cap is reached, no more players will be permitted to register, and the entries column to the right will also display the maximum number of entries permitted per person. When we go to the next window, we see our 3 day ones, our day 2 and our final day of the tournament. If we had multiple day 2s, we could choose which day 2 to put the players into. As a default, with just a single subsequent day, we can leave it blank. As an example, if we changed to 2 day 2s, we could qualify the players to day 2A or day 2B. For this example, we will still use a single day 2, which means we may leave these blank or put them as A. On the right side, it will say our subscription open and close times. This is important for displaying this information on a tournament billboard or on the PokerLens app. Once the wizard has been completed, we will now see a window very similar to our single day tournament window. We can do a number of different factors over a single day. We have a calendar in the top right, which allows us the ability to change between the different flights or days contained in this tournament. If we have made an error or wish to change any of the days or flights in this tournament, we may do so in the summary and clicking our edit structure window, then going to the new flights tab. Here we can see all flights and the information related to each flight. We can delete a specific flight by clicking the X on the right side, or we can add a new flight or day to the tournament. We then see a slightly different icon on the home screen for a multi-day tournament. We see a small drop-down button which shows all days and flights of this tournament. We can double click to go into a specific flight, and again we can use our calendar in the top right to change between different flights. The tab which you see summary is the combination of all flights combined into one specific tournament. We also see a similar button when we wish to register players for the multi-flight tournament in Tournament Check-in. Here we see the same drop-down menu. We therefore only see day A, day B and day 1C in this window. Once these 3 days have been completed, we have a complete button on the tournament. Once all day 1s are complete, we will then see day 2 populate in our check-in section of the software, and also day 2 will receive the yellow status symbol beside its title.